Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Want to install Windows 11 without being forced to sign in with a Microsoft account? Today, I'm showing you how to create a bootable USB drive with Rufus that skips the Microsoft account requirement entirely. No commands needed. Whether you're planning an in-place upgrade to keep your files or a clean install for a fresh start, this USB will bypass the account prompt during the out-of-box experience, letting you use a local account instead. Let's jump in. First, we need the Windows 11 ISO file. Open your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type Windows 11 ISO. Hit Enter. The top result should be Microsoft's official Download Windows 11 page. Left-click that link. I've added the direct link in the description below for easy access. Scroll down to the section labeled Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Click Select Download. Choose Windows 11 from the drop-down and click Confirm. For a smooth setup, especially if you're keeping files during an in-place upgrade, match the ISO language to your current system's language. To check, click the Start menu. Select Settings. Navigate to Time and Language, then Language. Look at the Windows display language. It might say English United States or your preferred setting. Jot it down. Back on the Microsoft page, select that exact language from the list. Click Confirm. Hit the Download button. The ISO file will save to your Downloads folder. Depending on your internet speed, this could take 10 minutes to an hour. Now, let's download Rufus, the free tool that makes this magic happen. Open your browser again. Type rufus.ie in the address bar. Hit Enter. That's the official Rufus website. Scroll down to the Download section. Select the standard 64-bit version of Rufus 4.11 by left-clicking the link. It's a small file under 2 megabytes and runs without needing to install. Once downloaded, double-click to launch it. You'll need a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage. 16 gigabytes is even better for faster performance. Plug the USB into your PC. Important, this process will completely erase the USB, so back up any files you need before proceeding. Rufus should automatically detect your USB in the device drop-down at the top. Click the Select button next to Boot selection. Navigate to your Downloads folder, locate the Windows 11 ISO, and double-click it. Rufus will load the ISO, displaying details like its size and architecture. Next, we set the partition scheme. To confirm your system's firmware, press Windows key plus R. Type msinfo32 and hit Enter. In the System Information window, scroll to BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, keep the Rufus drop-down on GPT. If it says Legacy, you'd switch to MBR, but for most users, GPT is the way to go. Now, the key part, bypassing the Microsoft account requirement. Click Start. Rufus opens a Windows User Experience window with customization options. Here's the key feature. Check the box for Set a Local Account with Username. In the field, I'll type Lenovo since I'm installing on a Lenovo PC. This setting automatically creates a local account during setup, bypassing the Microsoft account login screen entirely. No commands, no hassle, just a smooth, account-free setup. Ready? Click OK. Rufus will warn that all data on the USB will be erased. Double-check your backups, then click OK to proceed. Rufus formats the drive and copies the Windows 11 files, taking about 10 to 20 minutes depending on your USB's speed. A USB 3.0 port speeds things up. When the progress bar turns green, your bootable USB is complete. This USB is now ready for action. You can use it for an in-place upgrade, keeping your files and apps, or a clean install, wiping everything for a fresh start. Either way, thanks to the My Computer local account setting, you won't see the Microsoft account login screen during the out-of-box experience. Instead, setup will use your local account automatically, making it fast and private. For an in-place upgrade, run setup.exe from the USB in File Explorer. For a clean install, boot from the USB by restarting and entering your boot menu. I won't show the install today, but rest assured, this USB ensures a Microsoft account-free experience. That's it for today. You've created a Windows 11 bootable USB with Rufus that skips the Microsoft account requirement without a single command. Let me know in the comments if you're ready to try this or need troubleshooting tips. Until next time, stay passionate about tech.